In this demo, I'm going to show how to programmatically build out some product pages. So this is the example. It's a do-it-yourself e-bike e-commerce site. And if we look at like the general e-bike collection pages, there's a bunch of products here. But on the mountain bike one, there's not a lot. So we're going to build out some mountain bike product pages. So one of the first things that you have to do is map out what are the fields on your page. So I already did most of it, but yeah, I already did it, but I can delete this to give an example with the long description. So all of these are mapped to the fields, so that the image, the product title, short description, price, all those fields are mapped and you just add it in. So I'll do one as an example. I think it was the long description. And then there's going to be a manual input, AI input, or data input. This is going to be an AI input because I'm not going to be writing each of the descriptions. I'm going to give a prompt and have the model write it for us. So map it to the field, and there it is. So the next step is you're going to have to create what kind of content you want in each page. So for some of the inputs, they're manual and some are AI. So I'll just run through this. So here are the titles that I want. For the URL slug, that's going to be an AI input. So let's create a simple URL slug from this title tag, and it's mapping to what we put on the first one. We're going to put in price, the product image. The category is what collection page it is in. That's just a WooCommerce feature. This works for WordPress and Shopify as well, but this is just how that would work for WooCommerce. So we have a couple manual inputs just telling it directly what to do, and then a couple AI inputs like the short description, which is write a short product description for this new product page, and here's an example of what I want. So that's all done. In your settings, you can configure your API keys and all that, but that's already done. So we'll hit submit, and we'll let that load for a second. The idea is if you have a landing page or a product page or a careers page, something that can easily be templatized, create a template from, and then just kind of pump out pages to fill those out. This tool can do that really quickly. So this one was just published, the first one, so we can look in, go into our products and find that one. Okay. So that was this one right here, and it's published as a draft. All of that looks good. I'm going to publish it just to show what the final result is. Yeah, so it writes a short description, a long description. It writes the URL slug automatically, and that's that. And then, yeah.